we start with 2 walks and we will curve these walks to left. Man starts with left foot, forward in CBMP, forward with right side lead and close and curve. Now we will change timing and curve more. So timing will be quick and then close without weight in slow. And forward to side and close without weight. Now look at lady's steps. Lady starts with right foot, back to side and close without weight. Now with teaching count and with body contact and quick, slow. And again, look how we from basic walks developed this version and quick, slow. And now we will look at open reverse turn with slightly different stylized ending. Man starts with left foot, forward to side, then back in CBMP, leading lady outside, then step back to side and forward outside partner. Now let's look at lady's steps. Lady starts with right foot back to side, then forward outside partner, then forward to side, and last step back in CBMP and cross with free foot. Look again how lady stylized free foot, so it's cross of free foot. Now with teaching count, quick, slow, quick, slow. From opposite direction and quick, slow, quick, slow. And now let's look at 2 outside swivels and then outside spin. Man starts with left foot back in CBMP and then leading lady turn to right to make swivel. And then step forward in CBMP, again leading lady, this time swivel to left. And now we will do outside spin. So man will start with left foot, small step back and then pivot, forward and then to side around lady. Now let's look at lady's steps. Lady starts with right foot, forward outside partner, then swivel to right. Then step forward in promenade position and then swivel to left, and now outside spin. Lady will go outside man, close feet and step forward. So forward outside partner, close feet and step between man's feet forward. And now let's look how we dance these figures with teaching count and slow, quick, slow. From opposite direction with teaching count and slow, quick, slow. And now let's look at natural twist turn from closed position and then closed promenade. Man starts with right foot forward between lady's feet, then goes to side around lady's heel turn, then cross right foot behind left foot, and then turn and twist to promenade position. to side in promenade position, forward across in promenade, then to side leading lady to close position, and then close feet. And now lady steps. Lady starts with a right foot, back, then close in heel turn, allowing man to go around, forward, forward outside partner, forward and turn to left to promenade position, to side in promenade, forward across in promenade, then to side and turn quarter turn to left and close feet. Now we will do these figures with teaching count and quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. From opposite direction, so we start from closed position and quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now whole routine in slow motion. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. And quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now routine to music. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.